don't think I've seen anybody miss yet. Just went to overtime, right?
It's so crazy because this is how we're resorting to watching the game, and then you're gonna pretend as if there's not a big ass TV sitting right there, and we're resorting to watch it on laptops.
Put it on my phone.
Don't ask us why.
That was fun.
The Nick sauce. Hell yeah. The nigga Muck.
Video?
Yeah. Mr. Cray.
Mr. Two?
Yo, it's crazy because this filter I got makes you look like you have peach lipstick on.
Peach lipstick?
Yeah. When you see that,
What are you using? What program?
Social Cam.
What?
Social Cam?
I'm getting that right now.
It's crazy. Watch, right? You too got peach lipstick. Say peace. So look, watch. See, look.
What?
Wait till you see yourself. And we out of here.